What if I told you that a part of your consciousness is already experiencing the reality you desire? This isn't just a mystical idea, it's a concept backed by science. Quantum physics proves that we can shift between different realities, while neuroscience confirms that our perception shapes what we consider to be real. Everything you long for already exists within you, forming an integral part of your essence. Inside your consciousness, there is a sacred space that allows you to attract and manifest your desired reality, creating a powerful connection with the universe. As Plato once said, reality is created by the mind. Our quality of life is determined by the content of our consciousness, and without intentional perception, the natural law of entropy tends to create disorder. The key to transforming your reality lies in changing your mind. The quantum jump is an advanced visualization and manifestation technique that has the potential to deeply transform your life. It is not merely a metaphysical concept, but a powerful tool that allows you to access a higher version of yourself. Imagine using conscious dreaming to connect with alternative versions of yourself. This practice expands your mental filters, removing unconscious blocks that limit your potential. If you've ever struggled to envision financial success, traveling to exotic destinations, or meeting inspiring people, this technique will help you activate your natural intuition and creativity to reshape your reality. The quantum jump is rooted in quantum mechanics and the law of attraction to accelerate the manifestation process. This method is based on the idea that multiple realities coexist simultaneously, each with its own unique energy and vibration. By learning to tune into the frequency of your desired reality, you can align yourself with the universe where your goals have already been achieved. This is accomplished through visualization, focused intention, and an expanded state of consciousness. It's not an illusion. It's the ability of your mind to materialize what you genuinely believe. From a scientific perspective, everything in the universe is interconnected. Every object, thought, and being emits an energetic frequency that influences its surroundings. As Immanuel Kant said, we see the world not as it is, but as we are. This statement reinforces the idea that our perception shapes our experience and that we can modify reality by changing our perspective. Every choice we make represents an opportunity to jump into a new version of our life. Think of the quantum jump like a video game where you can level up and unlock new possibilities. It's not magic, it's manifestation, the process of bringing our desires into physical reality through intention and belief. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and the quantum jump takes this principle to a higher level by allowing us to interact with the quantum field consciously. Through this practice, we can access higher dimensions of our being, making it easier and faster to achieve our goals. The origins of the quantum jump can be traced back to ancient Eastern spiritual practices. For centuries, meditation has been used to explore deeper states of consciousness and unlock the hidden potential of the mind. Renowned quantum physicist Amit Goswami proposed that reality is not fixed, but a sea of infinite possibilities, which we can navigate using conscious intention. According to his theory, the mind collapses quantum probabilities into concrete experiences, allowing us to access different realities through meditation. Your subconscious mind plays a crucial role in this process. It stores both real and imagined memories and processes information at an exponentially higher rate than the conscious mind. In fact, neuroscience has shown that the memories we recall most easily are those connected to strong emotions. This means our body and mind tend to relive the past, creating cycles that can keep us trapped. However, the key to breaking free lies not just in the brain, but in the heart. When the mind and heart are in harmony, we unlock our true potential for manifestation By aligning our energy with the quantum field, we can transform our reality in ways that defy conventional understanding. To execute a successful quantum jump, it's essential to let go of the past and embrace belief. All limitations are self-imposed and reinforced by subconscious conditioning. As children, we naturally accepted new ideas without resistance, unfiltered by skepticism or fear. Relearning this limitless mindset is key to aligning with your desired reality. The process begins with deep relaxation and meditation. Entering a state of calm and mental stillness allows for clearer visualization and stronger connection with the quantum energy of your desired reality. Controlled breathing is a powerful tool for quieting the mind, opening the pathway to manifestation. During this expanded state of consciousness, it's important to focus on emotions such as gratitude, joy, and certainty, the feeling that you have already achieved your goal. This rewires your subconscious mind to accept your desired reality as your new normal. As you practice the quantum jump, you'll notice the world around you beginning to reflect your inner transformation. Your daily choices will shape the events that bring you closer to your goals. Trusting the process and maintaining an abundant mindset is crucial as the universe responds to the frequency you emit. Some skeptics argue that quantum mechanics only applies to subatomic particles, but scientific research is uncovering observable quantum behaviors at larger scales. The possibility of parallel universes and superpositions is no longer just theoretical speculation. It's an evolving field of study. Additionally, countless people have shared personal experiences of radical life changes through manifestation practices, further validating the idea that thoughts and emotions shape reality. We are at the beginning of a new understanding of existence, where consciousness and perception are recognized as fundamental forces in shaping the world. Manifestation is not just a new age belief, but a skill that everyone possesses and can develop with practice and knowledge. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. Don't wait for change to happen. Become the architect of your own reality. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this text. If this resonates with you, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences. Remember, true freedom comes through knowledge, and transformation begins with perception.